Hi, this is Eric, Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the outer door gasket clamp on your LG washer. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The outer door gasket clamp is responsible for creating a watertight seal between the door boot and the drum of the washer. If the gasket clamp is broken or worn out, it may cause a leak and should be replaced. If you need to purchase a new outer door gasket clamp for your LG washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. If your washer has this style of gasket clamp, we recommend purchasing a set of gasket clamp pliers. This will make removing the gasket clamp much easier. We'll leave a link down in the description below to where we got ours. Open the door of the washer. Then use the gasket clamp pliers to open the gasket clamp and remove it from the door. If you don't have a gasket clamp pliers, you can use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry up on the edge of the spring to slide it out of the gasket. Then work your way around the gasket to fully remove it. After removing the clamp, make sure that the gasket is seated on the washer correctly. If it is not, you'll need to seat the seal by pulling it out and hooking it on the lip of the front panel. If you need to purchase a new outer door gasket clamp, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. If you are using gasket pliers, align the spring to the bottom of the seal. Then, extend the spring while working the clamp into the gasket, starting from the top. The spring on the clamp should be centered on the notched section on the bottom or 6 o'clock position on the gasket. If you're installing it without the gasket pliers, align the spring on the clamp to the bottom of the door gasket on the washer. Then, slowly work the clamp into the left side of the gasket and around as far as you can. Then, using a pair of locking pliers, grab onto the right side of the gasket clamp. Then, while holding the washer in place with your knee, pull on the clamp to the right while sliding it into place. This will require a good amount of force. Then, close the washer door and run a cycle to check for any leaks. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.